Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we're gonna learn about how to pay for Shopify without credit card. So if you want to go ahead to pay for your Shopify without a credit card, this is the step-by-step guide for you. So first things first is to log in, and once you're already logged in and you're in this page, just simply click onto the settings. So here onto the settings, onto the left side, you should be able to see in here billing. So you'll just need to simply click onto billing, and for you to be able to use or to pay your Shopify without a credit card, you need to add another payment method for that. So if you click onto the add payment method in here, so the default one that you should be able to see is the credit card. So if you don't have a credit card and if you want to offer another payment method, just simply click onto this one, and then you should be able to see PayPal. And then right after, you should be able to get a button in here to pay with PayPal. So you'll just have to click onto that, and then you'll get redirected onto PayPal's page to pay for your Shopify. And that's just basically it onto how to pay for Shopify without credit card. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.